This is my truck. It's a 1986 Toyota 4x4. I love my truck. It's what I use for backcountry overland adventures. But it has a lot of miles on it, so for the past year I've been rebuilding the drivetrain, the engine, the electrical systems, and now the transmission. But this isn't a story about my truck. This is a review of megazip.net and why I think their website rocks. Their website allows me to plug in my truck's model number and your number into their website, and it gives me the exploded parts diagram calling out the specific Toyota parts I'm looking for. For example, I'm rebuilding a W56 transmission. Now, I can find aftermarket rebuild kits for this transmission. That's not a problem. What I can't find in the United States are all the Toyota parts necessary to rebuild this transmission. My dealer can get some of them, but not all of them. And the prices my dealer charges me are almost twice as much as what I can buy them on megazip.net's website. But what's really cool is I was able to source all the bearings, all the synchros, all the gaskets and seals necessary to rebuild this transmission. So thank you, Megazip, for making this possible.